Well, what I see is an incredible job done by FEMA, done by the Coast Guard, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and Marines. I think that the job of the first responders has been something like I've never seen before. What FEMA's done, what the people that got here even before the hurricane have done, and the governor is with us, and your mayor is with us also, and governor. What's happened in terms of recovery, in terms of saving lives, 16 lives, it's a lot, but you compare that to the thousands of people that died in other hurricanes, and frankly were not nearly as severe. I just have such respect for FEMA and for all of the people that got here early and what they've been able to do. Governor, you may want to say something.
Yeah, well, we're grateful for the President. We're grateful for the effort that the federal government has embarked. You know, this is a team effort. We have all the way from mayors to FEMA, the DOD. General Buchanan is here with us as well. Mr. President, we couldn't have done this if we didn't have that support. But of course, we recognize, and the President recognizes, that we still need to do a lot more. But we know that we're going to do it together. This is a commitment by the President and First Lady being here. Shows a commitment to being here for the long haul, helping us get the emergency out, helping us get stability, and then rebuilding Puerto Rico stronger than before.
Congresswoman, would you like to say something?
First of all, thank you. Because, you know, one of the things that you may heard on the mainland is not what's happening actually here. People from FEMA and the federal government were in the island before Hurricane Irma, before, during, and after. Same thing with Maria. So we've been hit by Hurricane Category 5 in less than 10 days, one after the other one. So it's not by the Navy, the Army, the people from the Coast Guard that are rescuing more than 800 people and still ongoing in rescue missions. We're not going to be able to restore the island, and the efforts of the government dealing together with the federal government, Mr. President, is the first time in history that Puerto Rico got direct communication with the federal agencies, with the governor, to deal with this issue. We never before, and we are in the path of a hurricane, so we are used to have hurricanes, but never like this one. This is a major one, this is devastation, but thanks for all the help and all the resources. The highways funds you sent to the island, the people from the HHS, you know, all 36 agencies that are on the island because of you.
Thank you.
What message you have for those people?
The power grid honestly was devastated before the hurricanes even hit, and then the hurricanes hit and they wiped them out. We're getting a lot of generators have been already brought to the island. Most of the hospitals are open, or at least partially open, but most of them now are open. And again, the job that's been done here is really nothing short of a miracle. It's been incredible. And I appreciate virtually, this is the mayor from this very important area. And Mr. Mayor, I appreciate your efforts too, and I appreciate what you have to say.
Thank you on behalf of my people of Guaynabo, and on behalf of the 3.5 U.S. citizens over here, because this is a team. Your people are doing the right stuff for us. We, the mayors, we got to do this is a team, and that's my experience over here in Guaynabo in the helping of thousands and thousands of people. So thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, everybody.